Good morning, everyone. My name is Justin Lacy, and I will be your instructor for PST 3200, Human Resources in Organizations. I want to welcome everybody. Very excited that you decided to take this class, and I think you, regardless of what your major is or whatever you decide to do or study, I think you'll find this class incredibly helpful, if for no other reason because human resources really affects everything that you do in the workforce. You know, because we're all going to be employees, we're all going to have benefits, we all want to get paid, and we all, at some point in our career, probably end up managing people. So I think this course is really good for anybody who is interested in kind of work in general. So welcome to class. I think you'll find the next 8 weeks to be incredibly beneficial, and most importantly, I hope you enjoy the class. Again, class starts in mid-October, so I hope everybody will be prepared. There's just one textbook required for the class. It looks just like this. Make sure it's Human Resources Management by Wayne Moody and Joseph Marticchio. You'll see it's the 14th edition, so this is the book that you'll want to have for class. Most of the stuff that I post online through Blackboard comes from the book, so that will be kind of your friend through the semester. So I definitely need you to pick up that book as soon as possible. In addition, online right now, the syllabus is also posted, so I highly recommend that you go through and read through the syllabus to kind of give you an idea of the topics we're going to be talking about for the next 8 weeks. We do have a lot of assignments throughout the 8 weeks, but again, I'm not one who believes in giving work for the sake of giving work. I think every assignment that is assigned is designed to improve a skill within you, and more importantly, to help you understand the material better. So I try in every time that you submit any type of written assignment, I try every way I can to give you points and try to reward for the hard work that I know that you'll be doing. So throughout the semester, if you have any questions, you're always free to call me or email me, and I try to respond within 24 hours to the best of my ability. A little bit about me quickly. I am the Director of Human Resources Consulting Services, Equal Opportunity, and Title IX Coordinator at Oklahoma State University in Stillwater, Oklahoma. So I am not in the St. Louis region. I'm down here in Oklahoma, so unfortunately I can never actually have office hours or anything like that because, again, I'm out of state. Prior to, in my current role, I'm responsible for employment, recruitment, employer relations, compensation, equal opportunity, all those things. So I've been in human resources for 14 years. So I have a wealth of knowledge in HR. I'm also a lawyer by trade. So if you have any good lawyer jokes, I'd be happy to hear them. But I do have my MBA and my JD, my law degree, from St. Louis University. I've also worked at St. Louis University. I worked there from 2013 to 2016 in human resources over in the Wool building on campus. So I'm very familiar with campus HR at SLU as well. So in addition to being a SLU alum, I've also worked for SLU, so I think very highly of SLU, and so glad that you decided to take this class. Again, we have several assignments throughout the semester. We have one big final exam during the last week of class, and that is comprehensive. It covers everything that we talk about all semester. And we have one big semester-long paper that I will provide information to you later in the semester so you can get started on it. So, most importantly, I'm very excited to have each one of you in class. So glad you decided to join me for the next 8 weeks. I really and truly believe you'll really enjoy it and you'll get a lot of good out of this class. So, again, my name is Justin. If you have any questions, hope you enjoy your semester. Thank you so much.